Hey rollers, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am needing to do some grocery shopping, so I'm trying to do some stocking up and shopping the sales. And I'm going to 2 stores and I'm taking you with me. Let's go. Okay, I just want to show you that it is 11:26 and I'm at Vons. So let's go get some of those sales. Look at this sale. What? All right, I'm back in the car. So what was that, like a little more than 10 minutes? I had a plan and I did it. So now we're gonna head over to Walmart where it's gonna be a lot more crowded, I'm sure. And I just don't know, I'm gonna be using this time at Walmart to get things to stock up on. It's just so important to me that whenever I have some extra money that I am using it wisely by getting things for our cabinets and of course some treats and snacks and meals for my family. So, okay, I just arrived at Walmart over there. It's 11:50. Let's see how long this takes. All right, woohoo, it's only 12:25, so this has taken me less than an hour to run into 2 stores and do my grocery haul. I can't wait to show you what I got. Okay, I got some really good stuff and some stuff that I want to talk to you a little bit more about because I tried it, I liked it, and I bought it again. So first off, we're going to do some Vons stuff. For right now, you can see that I went in for the soda sales. So they were 4 for $12.88, which isn't super like inexpensive, but it's not like extra expensive. So it was a good buy. And of course I got our favorites, but let me show you what else I got. All right, I bought fruits and vegetables there because Walmart doesn't always have the best selection. And of course I dropped the bananas as I reached the front door. So hopefully they'll be fine. We eat them up pretty fast. So I got bananas. I love carrots when you can buy them in the bulk section. So like on the singles, I love their taste. So good. I will roast this and a head of broccoli together, 400 degrees for 20 minutes, salt and peppered, and then put a little lemon juice on the broccoli. It is so good. And then I just picked up some red delicious apples. I guess at my nearby store, they are always 99 cents a pound, which is a good price. So I would prefer to have like the Cosmic Crisp or the Honey Crisp apples, but these are just as delicious. Well, they are delicious as well. And then the big thing that I purchased I'm going to say this. The big thing that was on sale that I got were the cereals. Now, I chose to get the plain Captain Crunch, even though Ezra really likes the ones with the crunch berries in it. But these were 47 cents each. And the reason I got the plain ones is because Super Bowl is right around the corner. And we use this as a coating to fry some chicken. It is delicious. I only do it once a year. And it is so good. So if you see some sales on some Captain Crunch, get them, crunch them up into like fine bits, and you can use it as a coating on some chicken. It is so good. And then with that sale, you could get up to 3, but they also had granola bars. So I just got, so I normally will make my own granola bars. I will buy them from Trader Joe's as the next option. I don't normally buy these, but for 47 cents, I think that's probably the better option for the kids to snack on than candy. So this one, I got the variety pack, so we'll see which ones they are left over. We'll see. So yeah, 47 cents, you guys. I am super excited about that. Okay, so now we'll go on to the Walmart side. Okay, I'm gonna show you some things that I got for the freezer section. So I love these tater tots. They have a really good taste to them. Now, in my back freezer, I do have some other store brand ones.
that are still there. So you can see that these are like the first ones that I will get, so, or use in a recipe. Let me know down below if you've ever had the Walmart brand versus another brand and what your opinion is. I picked up 5 pounds of chicken. Not on sale, you guys. So this was over $11, like $11.50. And you can see it's a more expensive. This was like $9, maybe even less, like 6 months ago. So that's why shopping the sales is super important. But I can always get a good deal on these buns. So these buns, there's 12 of them here. At my local stores, I could not spend for 12 of them under $5. Like easily they would be like $7 at least. This was $2.88. So this was such a good price, and I like to put them in the freezer, although I may use all of them the next time because I bought these fresh patties and there's 12 in there. And so we've been trying this thing where we make a big amount of meal, enough for 2 dinners. And then we will just have 2 meals done. It's great. I don't have to stress about dinner the next day. We just eat the leftovers. It's amazing. And so we could do that here with the 12 patties. Picked up Ezra some more of these chocolate chip waffles. Not only that, I will also make some chocolate chip pancakes and keep like a few days in the refrigerator, just so that the boys can just pick whichever ones they'd like to have. Here's some of those chocolate chips now. I have the milk and some semi-sweet. These will make some very, very yummy chocolate chip cookies. And this is great for a few different recipes that I've been making, like coconut bars are so good. And I've been making the pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. Delicious. Picked up just some tortilla chips. And I picked up a few cans of beans. So this is perfect for stocking up the back pantry. I want to get more. My favorite way to just make these is just in a little pan, cook them up as like so that it gets nice and hot, then kind of smash them and then add some cheddar cheese into it. So good. I mean, you could really go a little bit more with some onion and maybe some tomatoes. So delicious. And then I picked up just some pepperoni. So I have some bread dough in the back freezer that I've been meaning to make some little individual teeny tiny little pizzas with them. But Ezra and I have been eating them right out of the pack with some cubed cheddar. And you guys, that's more than enough. And then have some trail mix or something with it. What a nice snack. What a good lunch for me. It's all good. So that's why I had to buy another one. So I kind of like that lighter lunch option. So let's keep going. All right, I picked up some eggs. So I always want to have enough eggs on hand. Plus, I've been here, if you've been looking up eggs or have been reading any of the world news, check out eggs and Israel. Just Google it. I picked up just some chocolate cupcakes. These are just a nice little treat to have. I put them up in the cabinet. Not that they're hiding, but maybe not quite in sight or in view. And then I picked up some paper towels. So this rotation, I was getting some paper towels. So I feel like we have a good amount right now of paper towels. Now I'm going to start loading up on toilet paper and some laundry stuff. That's a good one. I picked up some, it says Keto chocolate trail mix, but with all of the things that are in here, I love it. It's got walnuts, it's got almonds and peanuts and pepitas, which are just pumpkin seeds. Super good for you, super healthy. More things to put in my back pantry, just some brownie mixes. These are just like $1.25 each. And putting these back there. These are so good, you guys. So I got one of these for free over Thanksgiving, and I made some chili over Christmas break, and I thought, oh, I'll just make one of these up. You guys, I added some frozen corn to it. It tastes so good. It's almost like a sweetened, just a cornbread, like the ones that have like where you add the yellow cake mix to it. Because if you haven't had that, I think I have a recipe that you can go and look up. So good. But it kind of has a hint of that sweetness, almost like cake. So good. I'm gonna pick them up. These were like 72 cents. What a great deal. So I'm just gonna try to buy a few more of these at a time, a couple at a time, and then just start planning some recipes with them. I picked up a few of the Rotel. That's gonna go right into the back pantry as well. So good with, like I said, when I made chili, I just added a can of this. When I make taco soup, I add a can of this. And if I was going to make some Spanish rice, I add this to it as well. I bought some Go-Gurts. Ezra and Jonas are on a Go-Gurt kick, which is fine. I actually did some price comparison with the Walmart brand of yogurts versus the Go-Gurts, and it was pretty close. So I just thought, for the novelty, let's just get these ones. Picked up some butter, always going through lots of butter here. Some sour cream, because I have some recipes that I have been making, with it being lemon season right now. I made a lemon cake because I had some lemons and so I needed to use them. Actually, Tina gave them to me and I ended up getting some more lemons from another neighbor. So definitely making some more lemon cake, in which I use about, I think, a cup of the sour cream. Picked up some more oil, definitely need that. And I picked up just a different drink this time. They didn't have our usual favorite with the orange strawberry banana one, but berry pomegranate is also a fun favorite in the house. And the last thing that I picked up, which I wasn't sure I was gonna be able to afford, were some Kitkats for my class. So we teach the little boys, we actually teach Ezra's class, so at church. And so this is just like a fun little treat that they can take home. And that is it, you guys. I spent $98 shopping the sales and going to the place where I don't need to have a sale. They are just great priced over at Walmart. So thanks so much for going with me to Walmart and to Vons. I hope you have a great day and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.